Use cloth-like microfiltration bags designed for backpack vacuums to keep suction consistent and dust contained. Choose bags that match the vacuum model and filter system by checking the manufacturer part number, then cross-referencing compatible third-party options rated for fine dust capture. Prefer multi-layer microfiltration bags made from synthetic materials because they resist tearing, hold more debris, and maintain airflow better than paper bags. Keep at least 5 to 10 extra bags per machine in stock depending on daily workload so technicians do not have to interrupt routes to find replacements. Store bags in a cool, dry place and rotate inventory on a first-in, first-out basis to avoid degraded performance from long-term storage exposure to humidity. Train staff to visually inspect bags before each use and to replace them when fullness reaches about 3/4 or when airflow drops perceptibly rather than waiting for complete fill. For dusty tasks, use bags labeled for fine particulate or construction debris and pair them with a high-efficiency inlet filter to protect the motor and extend bag life. Common mistakes include using generic paper bags that clog quickly and tear, which reduces suction and creates downtime, so choose synthetic microfiltration bags rated for your model. Another problem is running machines with overfilled bags because crews delay changes. Prevent this by scheduling routine bag checks and keeping spares readily available in each vehicle or supply closet. A third issue is mismatching bag fit, which can allow leaks and damage motors. Confirm fit by comparing part numbers and doing a quick seal test after installation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to projects like office cleaning upgrades. Our site also hosts a community discussion area where we and users share tips on equipment choices, maintenance, and service strategies.